Hello and welcome. Where you are is at the second episode of my 21 video series, my new 21 video series, 21 Things I Wish I Knew Before I Became a Middle-Aged Man. And this is episode number 2, and we're talking about selling. The title of this episode is that selling is not a four-letter word. I really feel strongly that everyone should know how to sell. Everyone should learn how to sell. Everyone should pursue knowledge in support of how to sell. I think it's just such a critical skill in life. Whether you're in sales or not, you're always trying to convince someone to take action, whether it's your boss or a colleague or a family member or a partner, whatever. You're constantly seeking out ways to help people that are in some level of pain to alleviate that pain. That's what selling is. It's not a four-letter word. The notion of always be closing, I think, is complete bullshit. I don't think you should ever be closing. If you're closing somebody, you're talking to the wrong person, or you're delivering the wrong thing to the wrong person, service, product, whatever it might be. Selling is finding someone who's already predisposed to be interested in what you have, and then educating them in a coercive way, creative way of moving towards your product or service because they're convinced that it's going to alleviate that pain. So we don't spend enough time identifying the specific client, and we don't spend enough time on the copy, the messaging, the branding behind, okay, how are you going to alleviate that pain? So if you reframe the way that you look at selling, and don't look at it as selling or closing or anything like that, look at it as putting the time in to identify where the customers are that have the specific pain that you can alleviate, and then crafting the story and the brand and the message around how you can alleviate that pain. That's what I'm doing right here. What I'm doing right here is trying to convince you to some extent that if you are in some sort of career transition, you should probably consider talking to me because I know what the hell I'm talking about. So, and that's an ongoing process. And I think most people shoot for too big of an audience and don't craft a compelling enough message. I certainly have been a victim of that myself. You know, it's an ongoing process. So anyway, I hope this has helped you reframe how you look at selling. It's a really valuable skill. It can get you a lot in life. It can get you a lot in work. It can get you a lot in your career. And certainly if you're going to start a business, I don't care how good your idea is or how good your product is. If you don't know how to sell it, you're not going to make any money. So selling is not a four-letter word. I really think you should go pursue more knowledge in the space of selling and active listening and empathy. And if that helps your business or that helps your career, that's we've accomplished something here. So share this with people that you think could use it. And we'll see you tomorrow in video number 3. Have a great day.